Hey, do you know about quantity style? The quantity style is a method used for visualizing data, particularly in geographical information systems (GIS), where the representation of data is based on volume rather than intensity. The purpose of the quantity style is to accurately represent quantitative data, such as vegetation cover, across a geographical areas. It allows for a precise measurement and visualization of data, enabling better analysis and decision making. Let's know about the benefit of this. Quantity style is able to provide a clear and comprehensive understanding of data distribution, allowing users to identify patterns, trends, and variations in the data with precision. This facilitates informed decision making in various fields. Let's quantify vegetation cover across a region using the quantity style. Here, darker shades represent denser vegetation cover, while lighter shades indicate sparser cover, enabling us to analyze variations in vegetation effectively. Are you curious about how to utilize quantity style and analyze the data? No worries, introducing MapOG, where you can easily conduct various analyses by utilizing different tools with just a few clicks. Let's see the process how to incorporate quantity style. First, open MapOG Map Analysis interface. Now, go to Add Upload and select Upload Vector File. Let's browse and select the vector file from your system, then upload it. Once the data is uploaded, let's give a name to the untitled map from Edit Map Name and click Save Map. Now proceed to style the data with quantity style. For that, first navigate to Style Data and then to Quantity Style. Select the layer first where you want to apply the style. Now, choose the attribute based on which you want to quantifying the data. Then, select the part as per your requirement. Choose the color for styling. For vegetation cover, select green. Optionally, you can also customize the color. You can also set the minimum values by your own. After selecting all parameters, click Save Style to apply the quantity style. To add the legend, go to the Action button and select Show Legend to display the legend on the screen. For better understanding, the final output is now ready, where darker colors indicating denser vegetation cover and lighter colors indicating sparser vegetation cover. Forestry management, biodiversity conservation, urban green space planning, agriculture, and ecosystem services assessment can get the benefit from this vegetation cover analysis provided by MapOG Quantity Style. With the help of quantity style, we can also perform various types work such as wildlife conservation analysis, transportation planning, environmental impact assessment, market demand analysis, and many more. Quantity style offers precise data visualization, enabling users to analyze information with accuracy and clarity. Experience the power of MapOG. Now you can also utilize that for your work. Thanks for watching. Let's explore our other tools for more possibilities. Contact us at support@mapog.com for further assistance.